It's actually looking a little better here now that I got the outer cover off. I have bees pouring out of the inner cover, so I hope we're doing better than it looks. Maybe it's just because it's getting late in the day that we're not so active. Yuck, I see some wax moth activity. That's gross. Okay, guys. And my smoker's going out, but we'll give you guys a couple of breaths here. Try to revive this thing a little bit. Okay. Now, I don't think this is going to do too much, guys, but you're kind of cold and not too active, so hopefully this won't be a big deal. Okay, calming you down a little bit, okay? There we go. Okay, guys. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty. I see a lot of honey. Looks like the tops of these frames are full of honey. Let's hope they are. Fortunately, the weather's been good after the blizzard for like 10 days. But there's really not anything for them to get out and eat anymore. So I'm sure they had to eat all their honey stores during the blizzard, and now they don't have anything left to eat. But we'll see what's going on. And you guys have gone a little crazy with the propolis, haven't you? Okay. Got one end out. Yeah, I know. Big crazy white hooded bear ripping apart your hive. Okay. Let's see what you got. The first frame's the hardest to get out. Then you can kind of put it aside. Ugh, messy comb. Very bad. And there's no honey in this, and they didn't draw out the frame at all. Okay. I'm actually going to reverse this one, because they didn't do what they should have done with this. Okay. Actually, I should have just left that one out because there's no brood in it, no honey in it, just a lot of garbage comb. Oh, there goes my hive tool. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to get you all upset. Okay. Now I've been told that if I made my own frames with wax and wire and did it more of a natural way rather than putting them on this plastic frame, that they'd accept the frames a little better and I wouldn't get so much burr comb and garbage comb. It'd be a lot more regular. But honestly, I am not at all a handy person, not in the least bit handy, and assembling frames just isn't my thing. So I buy the plastic frames with wax embedded in them. Okay, what have you guys been up to? Nothing going on much in that frame. I won't even bother showing that one to the camera. What are you guys doing here? Packing in some honey? So this whole top deep super should be full of honey. That's a little more promising, but this other side of the frame here is only full at the top with honey. I don't want to drop it, it's a little heavy. Hang on guys, try not to crush you. Hi. Oh, sorry, you were upside down there. I don't see any brood, I don't see any pollen stores in there. This is all honey. That is solid capped honey. That's what they need to survive the winter. Sorry guys. Here. I'm not trying to steal your honey, just having a look-see, okay? And this frame is packed with honey. It is solid honey. I don't see any brood. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, I'm going to quickly, because it's getting cold, for them anyway, it's getting quite cold. I'm going to try to inspect all of these top frames, make sure they all have, oops, sorry guys. I'm just having a quick look-see, and I see honey, but I don't see any pollen. So pollen is a bee's primary source of protein, and nectar, which becomes honey, is their primary source of carbohydrate or energy. So, and honestly, I'm not sure if bees can metabolize protein for energy the way that cats and dogs and humans do if they had enough pollen stores. Oh, I got a bee crawling up my hiney and that itches. Okay, there we go. There, learning from my bees, doing a waggle dance. Okay. Okay. Ooh, that is heavy with honey. Okay. Ooh, there's pollen in here. Okay, I don't know if the camera can see this, but that brownish stuff, let me see, I'm trying not to crush anybody here. Okay. This brownish stuff, if the camera's even pointed in the right direction, that is pollen, and this is all honey around the outskirts, so it's kind of like a rainbow arc here. It should be honey, pollen, capped brood. I ain't seen no babies in there. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna shut this off real quick, finish inspecting this hive, and then I'll move on to the next hive after that when I turn the camera back on.